for today's video, I'm gonna be working on the EG again, on my EG. Probably get it mostly complete today. All the parts I ordered just got here last night, so I should be able to work on it without any problems, without running into any like parts that I still need. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to work on the EG. Just got the water pump kit, the main seal, and then the oil pump seal. So that's pretty much all I needed. And then the fluids, which I already got. So yeah, I'm about to pull up and then work on the Civic. Yeah, I record that cold start, bro. Sounds deep. I had to pull up to AutoZone for a couple last minute cops. Stuff I need for the Civic. As I'm in a B16 right now. Yes, sir. Alright, so today is full-on EG work. Right now I'm about to take off this airbox thing because I don't need that at all. And then a quick engine bay cleaning because this looks disgusting. And then the last thing I need is probably just a battery because I don't have a battery. Alright, weight reduction. Alright, now we're about to do an AC core delete because I'm gonna have a big turbo and it's not gonna fit in here. So no AC, race car life. You dig? I'll put you on a time lapse real quick and I'll get back. Loki can't even get in there because all the dirt. I gotta get it. There you go. It come out. Either way, I'm gonna have a rear mounted battery, so I don't need this weight reduction. Yes, sir. Now, this AC line should just come right off. Yes, sir. And then the second line's right here. Just unbolted from over there. Runs through here with some clips. Through there, and it is mounted onto the same bracket right here. I think I can just take that off. That's out. The bracket's joined onto there and connect to that connection on that side, and then it should come right off. And then I have no AC, but it's cool. Race car. Yes, sir. All right, and then wiper fluid. Who needs that? Because race car, you know. All right, my AC and windshield wiper reservoir is out. So is the tank. And then the evaporator. So it's a little bit of weight reduction there. And this is my valve cover. Then I'm gonna customize this so I'll make it wrinkle red, like the Type R wrinkle red, the color. I have a spray can, make it look sick. The finishing touches. Alright, so now engine bay cleaning. So just gotta use a broom to take off all the spider webs and the crusty dusties on here. Just spray it down, clean the engine bay, make the engine bay look clean, make it look cool. Yes, sir. Engine bay cleaning. This stuff kind of smells. It smells like fish. It's kind of nasty, yeah. What the hell? Yo, shout out Slow EJ8. Put his Instagram right here. So I gotta pick up some Honda red to paint my engine bay, make it look clean. So when I put the motor in there and do a wire tuck, it'll look super clean once I pop my hood up, take it to Meads, you know, whatever. But it's gonna look super clean if I repaint the engine bay. Fire. So right now it's a big process of just getting everything cleaned up, making it look super clean and crisp. So the engine bay, the intake manifold, the block itself, literally everything, making it look clean. Because what's the point of putting back a dirty engine into a dirty engine bay? That's kind of gross. So, you know, might as well just have everything nice and clean and put in there. So all the dirt that piles up, I put it in there, basically. Right now, just motor. Yes, sir. Look at this beauty. And now, pretty much all we need is the transmission cleaned, the valve cover that I'm gonna paint wrinkle red, and then the intake manifold, and then I just put the clutch in, and then I could put the actual motor in the car. So it's not that much work less. I want to say it'll probably be done by the 7th part. This is the 5th part. But yeah.
We go in it, we out and we call it a show. Taking the commas, the money to blow. Fuck all the drama, let's hop in the Honda. I could if I wanna, don't want no more trauma, yeah. You can't.